Hi, it's the Yoga Dragon here again. So this is my third try on this video. What's happening is the tones aren't reverberating. They are here, but they're not carrying through on a computer or a cell phone, especially the gongs. The crystal singing bowl just sounds like, makes a terrible sound, and the tones aren't reverberating, and so they don't seem to be flowing together. But I just want to do one more try to see how it sounds. I'm going to do a little dynamic sound meditation for you. It's not going to be a very long video. I am going to be, when I move in a couple of months, I am going to be bringing my website back up, yogadragonstudio.com, and I'll be able to offer all my services there on site. And so I designed this website by myself back in 2007, and I'm still really not even getting it off the ground. It's been a long journey, but things are starting to shift for me, and I have a lot more to learn, and I have a lot more meditative and inner work to do. So this is a process for all of us. And stay tuned for my Halloween treat video. It's going to be for all 12 signs. I'm going to be doing some very fast shuffling. I'm going to focus on in the way of love, who's coming at you or who's leaving or what's happening in a relationship. Is going to be focused on love for all 12 signs, just bing, 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 bing all the way through. I'll have my witch's hat on. Hopefully my black cat will show up. That'll be my little Halloween treat. And yeah, and what's missing, I'm not buying any more equipment until I move, but what I'm missing is a crystal triangle. No, a crystal pyramid. I will be getting one of those one of these days. They're amazing. So I'm just smudging the area a little bit. I've already called in the 7 directional guardians. And once again, I am calling in air, fire, water, and earth, and my spirit guides, my Pleiadian love team. I'm going to do some tones for you. Namaste. And before I sign off, I'm going to make myself disappear. Goodbye.